Hi friends, this is Kumud from Kumudni's Home Gardens. So in today's videos, I'm going to start my preparation for the winter garden, in which I'll prepare seedlings of vegetables and flowers. So it is going to be a long series, so I'll divide it into parts. So in first part, I'll use whatever seeds and material I have for to start the seedlings. So I'll show you all that. So let's begin, friends. Of us might have the question that why we have to start sowing the seeds so early. But I'm starting it so early because some of the seeds might not germinate in time. So it's better to start sowing the seeds now only, so that if some seeds don't germinate, we can plant the seeds again, and we get all the seedlings what we need in our winter garden in time. So that's the reason I'm starting my seedlings just now only. So the second thing is what all we need to start sowing the seeds, or what is the material. So there are 2-3 kinds of containers we can use to sow our seeds, and I'm using these kinds of seedlings, friends, because first the seed remains intact in this, and it develops very good root system. So these type of seedlings are good. It's not necessary that one uses these seed trays only, but one can use different kinds of containers also, like mud pots, clay pots, or the clay trays also. Even in plastic trays one can start doing the preparation to do the seedlings. So I found these two types of trays. One is little bigger, this one, and this is good for bitter gourds and other big seeds, and this one is small, and we can put our small seeds like pansies and other very small seeds like phlox and all, petunias. So we can use these small seed trays for that. One is this. Then of course we need seeds. So whatever seeds we have collected from our summer garden, so we have to use those seeds first. So that's why I'm starting my this seed tray thing now only, because you never know which seeds have gone bad and which are still in good shape to give you the results. So if you remember, I have collected all the seeds in this box, and I kept them in an airtight position. Some of the seeds are from outside, from the market. So I'm going to try all these seeds in these seedlings and clay pots and everything. So the third thing we need to start our preparation is the soil for seed. This is the soil mix to grow the seeds. This has to be very soft. This is no rocket science, friends. This has to be soft, and I have not mixed many things in this. This is just cocoa peat, and 2 parts cocoa peat and 1 part compost in this. So when the seed germinates, it doesn't need any nutrition for the first 2 leaves, but for the real leaves, those 2 leaves which come after the first 2 leaves, from there it starts gaining its nutrition. It has to take it from the soil. So that's why we mix little compost in this. So this is very, very soft. So what we do, we just fill this seed tray nicely and put our seeds accordingly, like the bigger seed goes deeper and the smaller seed remains little upside. So that is that. This seed sowing process will remain till September end. After that we start transplanting our seeds to the bigger pots. So that's why it is necessary to start the process now only. So accordingly we can plan further also, like in our garden what do we need to have. There are certain vegetables we don't eat. There are certain things which we don't want in our garden. So we can plan accordingly. We can buy accordingly and we can plan accordingly. Like what I need in my garden are all types of salad vegetables, all types of herbs I want, and which can grow in this place. And of course the basics, tomatoes and potatoes and onions, all these things I want, peas, then lettuce, all these things I'll plan accordingly. I'll start sowing them, whatever seeds I have, I'll start sowing them in these seed trays, and later on what I don't have, I can just write it down in a paper and go to the market and buy. I'll show you, friends. I have already sown some seeds. You see, on 13th I planted these small seeds, and they have already germinated. These flower kind of a thing, this is actually cauliflower and cabbage, and some other seeds also. They were planted much before. This looks like sponge gourd, and this is the latest tray. I planted seeds in this yesterday, and these are some pepper seeds, yellow pepper, red pepper, and in between I have sown some brinjal seeds also, friends. And I am trying in this clay pot also, the leftover seeds which were left from this tray, I have put them in this. They have come on the surface, so I'll push them inside little bit. They've already started germinating actually, so one should not touch them, but still, if you see carefully, they have already started germinating. Yeah, okay. And here's another tray, and this also the germination has taken place, and this was done just a few days back. I think just day before yesterday only. And in this small cup I have planted basil seeds, holy basil. So my process has already started. I'm just waiting to plant some more. Okay, friends, see you in the next video. Happy gardening.